Hi, I'm Simone Mazzola, Chief Growth Officer at XNatura. When planning a new industrial project or site expansion, the key question is what exactly the land is used for and what surrounds it. To secure environmental approvals like EIA, BREEAM or DNSH compliance, you need data.
Hi, I'm Castellucci, Head of Sustainability of XNatura. The land cover analysis is the start of your environmental impact assessment. These data are based on ESA World Cover, Korean Land Cover and other public databases. The layer here show the distribution and classification of land covers and urban areas divided into precise categories.
We distinguish between specific types of industrial paving, service roads, construction areas, or semi-natural green corridors adjacent to your perimeter. For each category, we have a set of KPIs, as for example the mean species abundance. But let's imagine you want to plan an expansion of your site. How do you ensure that you reach, for example, your target on biodiversity net gain?
Thanks to the scenario analysis function, you're able to predict how the environmental parameters will change due to a change in the use of land. This data is valuable not only for planning site expansion, but also for strategically integrating biodiversity regeneration project into the site.
This is especially true when analyzing sites with significant artificial surfaces and those exposed to high hydrogeological risk. However, you will always have the possibility to include your own set of local data as regional maps or ground flights images and keep them into account into your analysis.
As previously mentioned, the MSA, derived from land use, is one of the key indicators for assessing biodiversity on site. This dashboard features a direct comparison of the biodiversity level between your site and the control area, allowing you to track the evolution over time, set new targets, and report progress.
Full compliance reporting for EIA, DNSH, and all key environmental and ecological frameworks. This is the advanced land analysis for your next projects. Discover XNatura Environmental Platform.